Direct replacement. This tailgate support cable fits specific vehicles to preserve tailgate stability. Durable construction. This part is made of quality materials for a long service life. Saves money. Offers quality at a competitive price while preventing tailgate damage. Quality assured. This tailgate support cable has undergone virtual testing for fit, function and durability over time. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit for a 1999 GMC Sierra 1500. Worked as advertised to replace my broken tailgate cable on my old 1999 GMC Sierra 1500. Well built, and looks like OEM products. The cable is covered in a thicker heat shrink, and has more heat shrink covering the connections from cable to lugs. No loose cable wires to poke yourself on, etc.